Last night, returning home on the highway, a very big rock smashed my windshield. Man, it was so loud, I was thinking that the windshield is gone. I was very inspired to park in the garage. Normally I will park outside in the yard, but today it's raining outside. So now I will go to a shop to buy something to repair it. And I'm saying I'm lucky because if water have managed to enter in that crack, that will be very hard to be done. I have here another one that was repaired. Let me see if I can focus on it. This one from here was repaired 1 year ago or something like that. Yeah, so I will put some tape over that and I will go. With some very powerful solvent I will degrease the windshield. That thing is from the inside of the windshield. Next step, I will use some packing tape. Because I don't have a transparent one, I will use this one. I will use a small piece like this. I will put it inside of this one. Because I don't want to contaminate with glue the area where the hole is. Okay, now with this thing, I will put it and I will be very careful to squeeze the air out. And to make all the seams perfectly, because outside it's raining and I will use my wipers. Not too great, not too terrible. It is a couple of minutes drive, but the thing is working. See you there. And I have arrived in the parking lot of the store and my work is good. Found it. Finally back in the garage. My work was done properly. I want to remove the water from this windshield, something like that. Perfect. No speck of water, nothing. This is everything what is in this box. The instructions, caution, and skin irritant. Okay. And these are the stuff. If you want to see more about this, I have a video there about this and with a repair done on this car. So I have this fancy schmancy thing. I have this thing from here, glove, foil and a razor. And a magic liquid. Okay, now I have applied the base plate. Next step is to screw this thing, the chamber. And push it tightly, remove this middle part. Okay. Okay, now I need to drop some solution there. Let me see how it looks from inside. I hope it will work. Oopsie, this is not good if this keep happening. Okay, now put back the center cap and start to squeeze. These are the instructions. Okay, I will wait for a couple of minutes, and if this will remain the same, I will apply a little bit of more pressure and solution. I've repeated the step again. Some solution and pressure, and I think I will do it again. 5 minutes later. And it's looking better. Okay, I've applied the foil. Now I'm using my wife UV light. This is for her nails. This lovely supply. This I have from China, from Shenzhen, when I was in vacation. Because of course outside, I don't know if you can see, but it's not sunny. Okay, I have finished with the UV light. Okay, now I will start to scrub the excess. And also clean the windshield. What's here? Yeah, it's a big difference. And this was a short segment with me repairing my broken windshield. Thank you for watching and bye now.